want to teach you how to implement this product card using Elementor in WordPress. If you have 12 minutes and want a custom product card, watch this video. First, I want to add a new product to the site so that we can see the changes on that product. I will use the information and image from the Figma UI design. One thing to mention is to definitely use alt text for your product images. After adding the product, I will click on preview to see the current style of my product, which is for the Hello Elementor template. I will create a page where I will place the designed product card template and show you the changes. Let's create a full width container. And add the loop grid element, because the template we are going to build is for the loop grid element. After adding the element, we need to set it up to show us the product content. If you want to use this template, you should search for its name in the Choose Template section of the loop grid element and use it. Now let's move on to creating the product card template. For this, in the dashboard menu from the template section, click on the theme builder option. This is where we are going to build the product card. First, we need to add a container. Then we need to style our container with background, border radius, and shadow according to the UI design. Once we have designed our main container, we need to add the content of the card inside it. The first element is our product image, which we will use the featured image element for. To link our image to our product, we need to select post URL in the content section. For styling the image, we set its width to 100% and its height to 250 pixels. Now we need to add the image title and product price. As you can see in the UI design, these two elements are placed side by side in a flex layout. To do this, we first create a container and set it to flex mode. Next, we add the post title element and choose its font and color from the style section. for the product price, we need to use the product price element. Add these settings to your container so that the elements inside are arranged properly. For our short product description, we will use the post content element. And make its font size a bit smaller since it's the last thing visitors will pay attention to. By default, containers have gaps that create space between elements. To remove this default gap, we need to set the gaps option in the layout section of the container to 0. I want to use padding for the main container so that the elements inside have some space from the edges. I will also reduce the top padding of the post content slightly to maintain spacing. To create a line between the title and the image, instead of using a spacer, we can give a top border to the container below the image. Alright, our product card is ready. Let's see how it turned out. As you can see, we have a responsive and minimal product card that we can use on our website. In upcoming videos, we will design the product page together. To stay updated, subscribe to my channel and like this video so you always have access to it.